In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Rajahmundry location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for authorizer WBO position from HDFC Bank. It is located in Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. And here is the job description. You can check with this. And for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for RMIFG position from HDFC Bank. It is located in Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. And here is the job description. You please check with the all the details provided here. And for more detailed information like uh, about salary details and about the vacancy and how to apply for this position and all, you can check in the website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for Executive Gold Loans position from HDB Financial Services Limited. It is located in Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary range between 1,80,000 to 2,40,000 rupees per annum. Coming to job description, they need graduates with minimum 1 to 6 years of experience, and you should have experience in collection and action will be preferred, and minimum 2 years of experience is required in gold valuation at gold loan NBFCs. So for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the website link provided here. Next, there are some job vacancies available from Lakshmi Group Rajahmundry. So it is located in Rajahmundry location. It is a authorized dealer for Hyundai. They are looking for the candidates for all the positions available here and near the locations like Rajahmundry, Amalapuram, Malkipuram and Mandapeta. So they are hiring for the candidates in all the locations. And interested candidates, please check with the all details provided here. And the candidates who are going to apply for all these positions, you should have experience in automobile industry, so salary is best in the industry. So interested candidates, you can walk into the interview on 18th March between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you can also send your resumes to the provided email IDs. That is, first one hrlakshmihundai@gmail.com, second one sunnylakshmihundai at yahoo.co.in. So these are the email IDs, and you can also approach them with the given phone numbers provided here. Next, there are some job vacancies available from Sri Vishnu College of Pharmacy. It is autonomous college from Bhimavaram, West Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh. So they have provided here the email address. Check with this, and they are hiring for the candidates of faculty positions like professor or associate professor in pharmacology or form data analysis or form quality assurance or pharmaceutics or pharmacy practice or pharmacy. So they are hiring for the faculty positions in all the departments provided here. Coming to eligibility, as per AICTE norms, salary is not a constant for a deserving candidates. So these are the qualification details. They are preferring these candidates like PhD holders or M.Pharm, UGC or CSIR or GATE. So GATE qualified candidates. So they are hiring for all the candidates. And interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID, that is careers@svcp.edu.in on before 21st March 2021. Next, there are so many job openings available from the Future Kids School. So this school is hiring for so many job openings. So firstly, there are some vacancies available for lecturers for foundation courses like JEE and NEET, subjects like maths, physics, chemistry and biology, and also ISC, 11th and 12th classes, subjects like maths, physics, chemistry and English. So they are hiring for JLs also. JLs are also needed for all the above subjects. So next, there are other vacancies for teachers for high school. like mathematics, English and social studies. So they need candidates to teach the subjects like mathematics, English and social studies, and they are looking for also non-teaching staff like lab assistant, librarian and office record assistant. So these are the job vacancies available for non-teaching staff. So interested candidates, you can walk into the interview on 21st or 20 March 2021, or else you can send your resumes to the provided email ID, and fluency in English is must. So these are the address details provided here. So interested candidates, you can also approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about these job vacancies. The number is 9492427799. Next, there is a job opening available from Sonus Software Solutions. So it is hiring for the US IT recruiter position, and for this position both freshers or experienced candidates can apply, and it is a night shift. So timings will be 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. and the candidate should be having good written and verbal communication skills. So these are the address details provided here, and you can also check with the contact numbers and also with the email ID provided here, and interested candidates you can approach them with the given contact details provided here. Next, there are two job vacancies available from SB Motors. It is a authorized dealer of Maruti Suzuki. So this company is inviting applications for the below positions like first one for sales executive position and second one for customer care executives. And coming to first one for sales executive position, they need any degree candidates with the 2 to 3 years of experience in automobile industry. So these are the locations available for this position. And coming to second position for customer care executive, they need graduation with minimum 1 year of experienced candidates as a customer care executive. So you should be responsible to handle customer complaint and resolve them in time. So they are going to provide attractive salaries and incentives for the given job opening. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, or else you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 970-5953-456. Next, there are some job vacancies available from BNU Smart Mobile Store. So this company is hiring for so many job vacancies. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for area sales managers, and for this job vacancy 4 to 6 years of experience in sales is required. Qualification will be any degree. So male candidates are preferred for this position. Age should be 28 to 38 years. So second one for retail store managers. So for this position they require any degree candidates, and 2 to 4 years of experience in sales is required, and it is also for male candidates. Age should be between 25 to 35 years. Third one, there is a job opening for sales executive position, and for this job vacancy freshers and as well as the 3 years of experienced candidates in sales are required for this position. So qualification will be any inter or degree. So both male and female candidates are eligible to apply for this position, I mean sales executives. Age should be between 20 to 30 years. So next, there is a job opening for cashiers. For this job vacancy, freshers and 3 years of experience in cash counter or accounts is required. So minimum qualification will be BCom or MCom or MBA in finance. So both male and female candidates are eligible to apply for this position. Age should be between 20 to 30 years. Next, at last, there is a job opening for regional HR position, and for this position you should need 2 to 4 years of experience. Qualification will be MBA in HR. So males are preferred for this position, and you should willing to travel. So these are the some of the job vacancies and required qualification details, experience details and all. So you can check with the all the details provided here. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given contact numbers, or else you can send your CVs to the provided email IDs. So first one, the contact number is 7337336972. Second one, 7799771164. So these are the email IDs. You can check with this. Next, there are some job vacancies available from Ideal Lead School. So they are hiring for the faculty or teachers positions for a primary school, and they are going to provide free food and accommodation for a candidate. So age should be between 24 to 42 years, and they are going to offer a salary is 10,000 rupees per month. So anyone is interested to apply for these positions, so you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9299256838. Next, there are some job vacancies available for faculty or teachers from Sri Hashira English Medium School. They are hiring for the teachers for primary school. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the WhatsApp number, or else you can call to the provided contact number. WhatsApp number is 701301597. Phone number is 9052753999. Next, there is a job opening for teacher from St. Joseph School. So it is for English medium school. So they are hiring for the teaching positions with English medium background, with and without experience. I mean, both freshers and experienced candidates are eligible to apply for this position to teach biological sciences for higher classes, and it is located in Rajahmundry location. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8686399499 for detailed information about this job vacancy. Next, there are some vacancies available from Aditya Group of Engineering Colleges. So they are hiring for the professors or associate professors or assistant professor posts. So for all the departments, following departments like computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, civil engineering, petroleum technology or physics or mathematics or chemistry. So they are hiring for the professors for all the departments provided here. And coming to salary, qualification and experience, so these are as per the AICTE norms. So they are going to provide free transport facilities. Those who wants to attend for the interview, and college buses will be available from the Aditya Degree College. So this is the address location. So interested candidates, you can attend to the interview to the provided address details, or else for more detailed information like any other detailed information, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9949876662, or else you can check in the website link provided here for more detailed information about these job vacancies. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.